Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First, we need to press the \menu button to open the menu on our watch. So let's press it. After you open the menu, scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the general settings option. Then scroll down, find the about watch option, about your watch, tap on it. Here scroll down, find the option called factory reset, or the one called reset all data and settings. Then tap on it, and then confirm by pressing the OK button. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.